no! Breaking news, breaking news. We just got to our hotel in Nyatang and it's amazing. It's a 5-star hotel. I will show you the room when we get there. We got upgraded for a junior suite ocean view. This is the elevators. There's 6 of them. There's 45 floors. There's a rooftop with 360 view. And there's a pool on the 5th floor. Huh? And this hotel is amazing. I've never been in a hotel like this. It's crazy. We are waiting for the elevator. The elevator only works when you touch with your room key. Amazing. I'm so in love. Literally the best hotel I've been. I don't know which elevator is coming. Yes, we thought Orient was nice, but this is over the top. This is like a dream. We have 10 minutes to get to the breakfast. Otherwise, we will starve. Yes, we find the lifts. There's so many lifts in this hotel. It's crazy. We could literally play like hide and seek here tonight.
Just on this floor, because that's 45 of them.
Oh my god, this is so cool. Welcome to our room. Be amazed with this beautiful room.
Like MTV Cribs.
Let me show you the toilet. So,
toilet,
we have
jacuzzi.
a jacuzzi, very nice, shower and toilet. Then we have a kitchen. We will not use this kitchen probably. And then the best part is this view. We have this amazing window. There you go. That's the view from this side. And then there's the bed. You wake up and you wake up like this. And then this is the other side. The beach is amazing. As you can see, the water is so nice. Tomorrow we're gonna go to those islands there and there and there for snorkeling, water sports. In the end there's a water park. Can you explain the situation? Our hotel has a private tunnel that goes directly to the beach, so that we don't have to pass on the street, because we are VIP. Our hotel. Where's the pool? Ah, the pool is there.
And this is my girlfriend.
The pool is in this floor. I think it's gonna be amazing. And our room, I don't know which one is it, but it's on top. 19th floor. Pretty nice! Pretty nice! We are in the pool area right now. It's on the 5th floor. There's the jacuzzi and sauna. This is the amazing pool. Oh my god. Looks amazing. It's so big. Sun. Let's go to the sun. Look at this view. Oh. nice. Hi.
I want to check, of course.
We are in a water park. It's this size. There's lots of roller coasters. There's like sliders there. There's a cable car. It's gonna be amazing. We decided to come today because we don't have much time to waste. And this park only closes at 10 at night. So it's gonna be like a fun adventure. You can stay here until 10. Which is cool. We're gonna go on the cable car right now. I'll show you the view. We arrived to the fun park, water park, whatever this is called. It's this park here. Very famous in Vietnam. This is the first roller coaster that we are gonna try. It's probably the worst, but looks cool. If I can film it, I will. If not, it's on your imagination. Bye. We are going to the rooftop. This is the elevator.
Let's go.
It's raining outside, but hopefully it's good. There's some nice music here.
26.
There's a club upstairs as well.
We're gonna go with that.
Bye. Very nice.